What's up guys, welcome back to another new video. We often cannot remove the background of the picture due to random hair. But if we apply some tricks, we can do this very easily. So let's start. Therefore, in the case of taking pictures, you have to choose a unity background whose color will be solid and different from the subject. Here I have opened a picture. In case of background remover, we first use any selection tool, then select the background and remove it. But today I will show you how to remove it through a different tool. It allows you to remove the background in a professional way. First, select the background eraser tool from the eraser tool. Now click on the plus icon. I can select the middle of the tool. In case of removal, we have to click on the background color and then drag around the subject. Just follow me what I do. This way, the background can be removed very easily.